In this video, we're going to cover how to capture a 4-bite-wing series using the Carina sensor with Romexis imaging software. First, open Romexis. Then, select a patient and navigate to the 2D module. Once in the 2D module, select the button that says Carina. A template window will appear. Select the 4-bite-wing template and click OK. The image capture window will appear. Make sure your sensor is connected. Once the image capture window reads ready, you can begin. Capture all 4 images in a row. Once the capturing is complete, you should see all 4 images on the right side of the image capture window. Select Transfer and Close. The images will be imported into the template placeholders. Select Done, and the images will be imported into Romexis. And that's how to capture a 4-bite-wing series using the Carina sensor with Romexis imaging software. Discover the Carina difference today.